Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you an amazing home remedy which you can use to lighten your dark knees, elbows and toes naturally at home. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. You can see my elbow and you can see the dark patches all around. This I have shot before applying the remedy. Now I'll apply the remedy and show you the result. So for this remedy we need 3 ingredients. First take a bowl. Now we'll add half teaspoon of baking powder. Next we'll take 1 teaspoon of rice flour. And finally we're going to take 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix them all well to make a fine, thick paste. So baking powder is a natural exfoliator which helps in preventing dirt and other impurities clogging the pores. Rice flour is a natural lightening agent which treats uneven skin tone and avoid pigmentation. And curd is enriched with zinc and lactic acid and works as a natural cleanser. To apply this paste, we will take a used toothbrush. Now I'll apply it on my elbow in a circular motion. I am applying it on my elbow, but you can use it anywhere on your body where you have dark patches. Now leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and let it dry. Once it's dry, you have to wash it with normal water. Now you can see the difference guys. This is just after 2 applications. For best results, you can use it 2 to 3 times in a week. I hope you liked the video guys. Thanks for watching.